The question of what happens when artificial intelligence replaces software engineers isn't just hypothetical anymore. It's one of the most pressing conversations of our time. Some say programmers are safe, that AI will always need humans to code, train, and maintain it. Others believe that automation will eventually consume even the field that created it. The reality, as always, lies somewhere between fear and opportunity. Software engineers have been through this cycle before. Every new layer of abstraction, from assembly to high level languages, from frameworks to low code platforms, was met with the same worry. What will we do now? And every time, demand for engineers only grew. That's because each simplification freed humans from routine tasks and opened doors to new, more complex challenges. The easier coding became, the more ambitious our goals became too. The difference today is that AI is not just simplifying coding, it's learning to reason, design, and even make trade offs that once required human judgment. So, what happens when machines can design, test, and deploy software faster than any team of humans? The role of the engineer will evolve from coder to orchestrator, from builder to designer of intelligence. Instead of writing every line of code, humans will define system goals, ethics, constraints, and emergent behaviors. We'll guide the AI, not compete with it. The job will shift toward higher level thinking, specifying what should be built, not just how. But this also means that those who remain in the field will need to understand systems far beyond syntax: human behavior, psychology, sustainability, ethics, and the intersection between technology and life itself. However, it's naive to think everyone will make that transition easily. Not every engineer will become an AI architect or product philosopher. Many will find themselves at a crossroads. For some, the path forward might lead into entirely different domains, fields that cannot be easily automated, such as farming, energy, construction, and sustainability. Ironically, some of the most promising futures for displaced tech professionals might lie in re engineering the physical world rather than the digital one. Building self sustaining cities, renewable energy systems, and regenerative agriculture models. Because while software can replicate logic, it cannot replicate life. There's also the philosophical side. If AI truly reaches a point where it can replace software engineers, the very people who built the tools that made AI possible, then the question shifts from what will we do for work to what will we do with our lives. If machines can code, design, compose, and even think creatively, humans might need to rediscover meaning beyond production. We might finally face the question that technology has always postponed: what it truly means to live in a world where survival no longer depends on labor. Still, we are not there yet. AI today can accelerate, not replace, human creativity. It can generate solutions, but it still relies on us to frame the right problems. It can optimize systems, but it doesn't yet understand human emotion, context, or ethics. And these are not side issues, they are the foundation of why we build anything in the first place. As long as humans define purpose, software engineers will remain relevant, even if the shape of their relevance changes. Maybe in the future, software engineering won't be a job at all. It will become a kind of digital stewardship, where humans collaborate with AI to maintain a balanced, intelligent, and sustainable society. Or perhaps it will vanish entirely, absorbed into AI itself, leaving humanity free to explore art, nature, and consciousness. Whichever path we take, the lesson is the same. Every revolution that seems to end work actually redefines it. So, the real question isn't whether AI will replace software engineers, it's whether software engineers And by extension, all of us can evolve faster than the systems we create. Because in the end, technology doesn't destroy humanity, it reveals it.
This information is brought to you by Ramakrishna Surathu, author of the book You Are God, founder, developer, and chief executive officer of the self sustainable city